Killer. Bounty killer say somebody I got dead. Me biggie beanie. Selassie. Selassie. Yeah, hear me now. Hear me now, Ninja Man. Hear me now, Ninja Man and Bounty Killer. And listen me now, make me make my speech.
Hold on, man. Hold on. I listen to God.
You hear me, man? You don't talk to me, you talk to Bounty Killer.
Well, I understand if you listen to me. Because the earth is the Lord and fullness thereof. I know that dwelling that mean all man upon earth are God. So stop your eyes and listen. Yeah, hear me now? Yeah, hear me now? Yeah, hear me? Me a Rasta man. Me not busy some man that talk about man and not a bit like bag wire. Me not a bag wire upon my head. My head shine because me say I dead and me cut off that. Saying, so yeah, hear me? Some man that say Selassie dead and them can't show no tomb. Some man my head them a say cause you will burn up. Be careful, you will burn up. Cause them man they are great man. Them man do things that me and you can't never live for do. Well, I'm a Ninja Man.
BEENIEMAN, and me tell people that Panja love.
Ninja Man, me don't talk here what you want to say, you know. Can you see me? Ninja. BEENIEMAN, a veteran from 19 how long, so no little come up here, come this bad man, them fi know. You know, hear me I tell you, say?
Well, BEENIEMAN, you what me I go tell you, sir. You say you're a veteran from 19 how long. BEENIEMAN a veteran from 19 how long. Go and go tell the pussy that say I'm a living madman. From me born out of me mama that hear no mention. So hear this year word from Did and Gog and Beanie. Say me a bad man for year and for century. When me a me kill without mercy. Murder mama papa murder the picnic. So BEENIEMAN go and go suck out. Easy. 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 Man a bad man. Our gun big and tall. If we say no guy no talk, no guy no talk. So we no can down there and say anything we want. Stop talk, man. If there's bad man from
Hear me now. Hear me now, hear me now, hear me now, hear me now. All right, hold on.
When you chat about it, you will get murder, BEENIEMAN. In any way you take it, we get murder.
Hear me now, Ninja Man. You see me? Hold on.
Lyrical murder. All right, you want the clash?
Ninja. Me don't want to clash with you, Ninja Man. Me just want to teach me people them a two little things.
I'm here the eyes of the people, man. You want teachment, come to me.
Yeah, hear me? Hey, me not afraid of no DJ neither, you know. And a DJ can't kill me neither, you know. Cause me have lyrics still me that hurt me, you know. But you hear me? You see this year, next year, and money me I deal with. Dollars to buy a house to put my mama in and my family. Saying, I have to look somewhere and push it before you clash with people. So you hear me? I want to hear them listen to the lyrics saying, BEENIEMAN say who seek knowledge get them wisdom increase. Me no believe in the devil or the mark or the beast or rather dead. Before me put the 666 in them. Again. Jano, listen. BEENIEMAN say, who seek knowledge get them wisdom increase. Me no believe in the devil or the mark or the beast or rather dead. Before me put the 666 in on me head. I sing. Love Jah and liberate him and die. And teach us about the Pope and not Selassie. We all know the one of them a Pope or spy. Jaguar BEENIEMAN sing say, blessed be thy name for certain wrongs that done. Who is to take the blame? It's a shame, blessed be thy. Yeah, me not gonna further the lyrics. Here why me not gonna clash with Ninja Man now. Ninja, listen me. Listen me now, Ninja Man. Yes, the more we are together. Together, Ninja, together again. The more we are together, until the happier we shall be. Ninja, I'm a black king, Christian as a white kid, and living in a white man world. You blind? Black king, Christian as a white kid, and remember some year in a man rich, you know, and all the rich man face is only modernization, while we in a ghetto face space of variation. We don't have no job to get them. Only listen me now. Listen me, hold on, I'm gonna finish my lyrics, Ninja. Listen me, listen me. Listen me. Again. Again. Ninja. All the rich man face. Listen me now, people. All the rich man face is modernization, while the youth man in the ghetto face space of variation. Man have no job to get the money in them right hand for mine all themselves and them pick Ninja. You have some youth them have a tendency to turn to the M1. You put down your gun and put your trust in the Almighty One. King Selassie, the kings of all man. You are safe when you're under his protection. Freedom Road. Man, if you walk on Nelson Mandela, pull the ball from the hand. So sing along the more we are together. So you hear me? Me love nigga, me love Bounty Killer. Who want hate me and who want fight me, fight me. I'm not afraid that no guy can kill this. So just run and read me chatter one lyrics and just leave it. God have mercy. Well, bad man wicked every time, and bad man bad all the while. Jaguar, well, I was launched on my father pump rifle, and in my mom desert eagle. For me, one day, me a shot people. Not to mention Nagas and all. Bumble, this sunrise and we out your bright light. Give them my dead, for dead. Good night. Yo. Yo. You don't do things and go away. BEENIEMAN. BEENIEMAN. So when you talk about God, that was a day in me. Psalms 35, plead my cause, O Lord, them that strive with me and fight against them that fight against me. Take over the sheet and buckler and stand up for my name. John returns to and stop against them that persecute me. Yeah? So you hear me BEENIEMAN, you talk about reality. Man, in our reality, you know one saluted and go on again. Black people are reality, you don't need saluted and go on again. Watch out. Down in the ghetto, man, up. Easy, man. Down in the ghetto, man, I pay brainwashing. Every day me get up to the dirty system. Just as the election about for running, politician come in and the gun them bring. Give the ghetto youth and them a tell you this thing. If you have paid to see your labor right, chat him and kill him. PNP tell the labor right them the same thing. If your labor right, chat PNP and kill him. All them yasin thing is confusing. Then the election done a ghetto youth gonna prison. Weeping and wailing money and national eating. Every day me get up and me mama balling. When me look out here, me know me brethren can't get no money to buy one damn thing. And me get up and see the blood is suffering, confusion, frustration, and the damn thing. When me look and see all the time we come. Easy. Easy. You hear me? You hear me? You see, bias minded and listen where people say two different things. Man a bad man. But a pussy hole there say what? Hold on a minute. Where pussy hole say look wild about coke? Where the pussy hole say about coke look wild? Run the rhythm.
I'm not addicted to no drugs. Let me tell you, Jesus Christ, man. I'm not addicted to no drugs. Are you watching, man? Come here, the eyes of the people fi tell the nation where them fi do what right from what wrong. So if me don't let the blasted coke, you know man, how me a go teach you what is destruction? You must be fool, boy, you must live a madman. I come around and dog and jam coke man because I wear my good boy, I wear my bum bum. How that the fool man a live? Me wanna tap on no nice and ease the tension. Make me talk to the pussy, the mama bun pan. We come a disrespect the dan gog. And if I never me teach you know what's right from wrong. Look pan coke and take it, you know man. And know say that is the mark of the beast on the land. I lead black people the wrong direction. And it come here to destroy we holy land. One fit on African in a forgot you know man. One fit lead destroy down to the damn Babylon. Take you know the hands of the boy Satan. And lead on no back no to the Almighty One boy. As so me say, as so me turn me at the eyes of the people to teach the nation to commence it. This you must understand when now you to take up with that discrimination. No class him bad and call him bun pan. This is what you do, you must teach the nation. Elevate the youth and teach him right and what's wrong. Stop lead him down into corruption, neglection, make the youth take more coke, you know man. If you treat him like a virgin youth man and show him what's right, different from wrong, that the youth they will live from out the coke pan. I'm not addicted to no drugs. Easy. Come in, Yoti.
A new name me get, Yoti. I just want new dance, so being fine again, around the street and the lane and round the bend. Yo, the video soon come out and it come out when you hear it. Only I hear me now, I just one more thing me have to say. Now run the rhythm youth. Listen, DJs. If you sit up here, I'm the gunman. Me have the big Mac 11 on me hand, badang, badang. Wicked man now ask question. Where you born and where you belong? Sing along, me Mac 11 on me right hand. You know response where you come from. Batty man, you want pose like iron. Pose in front of me, gun in a me hand. And make me sing, go on, go bury your dead now. And Papa put your hand by your head now. Go on. Me love no saying, yeah, hear me? Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Wanna listen again? Wanna world of dance? Hold on. Hold on now. Before me run the world of dance, listen to the lyrics, sir. Listen to these lyrics. You see me say go and go bury your dead. That's the radio part. Listen the gun part now. Listen. I'm gonna sing weeping and mourning. Me hear your mama she a ball this morning and calling. Weeping and mourning. When she hear her one son bawling. Put on me 16 and go pick up me Gatling. Lend out me mercy to run pimpling skin. Pussy this the program and wicked man out him. But I ain't in the back of the car. Chill, hold on. Listen. After me put down me 16, pick up me Gatling, lend out me mercy to rum pimpling skin. Pussy this the program and wicked man out him. But I in the back of the car I dump him. Over precipitator where me came go leaving them 3 weeks later then Jankert start smelling body decompose. The pussy wall a ratting. This wicked, listen me now. Here I'm dead. Him say him don't got no mercy. Him jump down the gully, go round the back fence, go shot on puny. How old she is? She 120, and him shot down her husband, them call him Tony. Me couldn't have no mercy, neither no pity. Me have to shot the pussy all dead in the gully. So follow me, weeping and mourning. Me hear your mama, she a ball this morning and calling. Weeping and mourning. Well, that are the... Listen now. Listen now. I just want new dance. I be fine again. Around the street and the lane and round the bend. World dance is the name and the title. Two body dumb, the deaf, the blind and the cripple. But I don't know why Black Wizard love it so. And a limbo rose is fine and new stem. Brand new dance where we have a mad. I kill the all of them rose is fine and new stem. One roll of dance. Wanna catch the lyrics from now. Voop. So the boy slide down the gully, snag a pussy banger and dready him a do the tatty. Take in me little brother name so lucky. When him a roll in the world without pity. I mine future kicks man the butterfly. Can't pitch car off a man no pretty. Listen on. I be a sneak preview, man. What you talk about? In the next one, I know. All of the man them here, you know, so them no bow. Put up on the light high up now here. All of the man them in when I bite no pum pum, you bite. Oh, put up your hand. Listen to this lyrics, I know. Listen now. Listen. Listen. May I teach you something now? This year makes 16 years me I do this fine, so I don't know. Now how we come up thing, you know. So listen me now. Hold on, don't disturb you about that. Where the killer is this film business that? Listen me now. All Bowcat. I am the wickedest man in the world. All Bowcat, I will sex for your girl again. You buy your girl diamond, emerald or pearl, or the pony or the boy, your jerry curl. So man, you listen. Man, you shouldn't do it. Why you bite the meat? You love to bite and you love pee meat. You shouldn't let me spot the piece of hair in your teeth.
Hear me now. Hear me now, 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 hear me now. Listen, let me tell you. When you listen, man, when I move so long, sure. When I embarrass artists, you know, for listen, man. If you don't listen, you now go learn, you know, skin will burn. Kindly listen, let me tell you something. That's something I tell you, you know. Hear me now? Me tell you now already, you know. Hear this. A guy. Listen, man. You, are you me I talk to? You will make so much noise. Blood shirt. A guy a disgrace me here all. Me here all goes like this. Well, down in Jamaica we are the poor now have a thing. And the politician is... Hold on, man. Hear me now, man. Watch how me I go pelt people now. Reality time. Stop telling people them to kill them one. Yo. Shh. I mean him bounty killer. I mean teaching how to kill. Listen. Stop killing one another. Try live loving. See God and not the devil. All who love God, make me so myself. All who love themselves. All who love themselves. Alright, you see like one who love themselves? Reality time. You see any boy we can't come teach you know how to live. and what is right from what is wrong, run them way. The killer go teach you and listen tonight. Reality time. Can't come about spear crime. Me's Mr. Crime and me's a reality time. Oh, bumbo hole back at me. Oh, bumbo hole. You don't want me discriminate you now. On a go on so. Yeah, you see it when I say bumbo hole, you watch it now. On a go on like on a bumbo hole. On a people, man. Sure. Listen, my man. Excuse my language. Excuse. Listen. Me no shake people and me gun me shake. Listen me. Well, down in Jamaica, we hear the poor now have a thing. And the politician is the guns them a bring, Lord. And the crack and the coke them a support the killing. Me check it out, the whole of them are the same thing. My pocket is weak, my heart is willing. I want a pound of rice but can't find a shilling. Can't buy the chicken. Part 1, hold on. Part 1, we now have to go far in them. Listen this again. So, go down the barriers and pull all the doors. And come Jaguar, come make we defend the poor. Go down the barriers and pull all the doors. Reality the killer gonna preach. Well, many decades the poor are suffer. A night and day the youth them cry, but them all them head I. No mercy and no stop, try. Sing along. Down in Jamaica, yes, a pain and pressure. Every time I try to lift up my head above water. Somebody if you sing the DJ like a anchor. Some way, some will, the killer will conquer. The highest mountain I shall get over. Never lose faith in the Almighty Father. Heaven and earth, yes, him is the creator. Honor your mother, you must honor your father. And pray to God, and your days will be longer. Sing, go down the part 3rd. No man, boy, I gotta live now, man. Boy, well,
don't bring that to I about your body can dead, your spirit cannot die. 3 years of growing up, them a teach man pay a lie. And teach about Columbus and not Selassie I. But Selassie blast him, that's why man die. Turn me head to the world water fall from me eye. We see who know about down in front this white guy. With all silky hair and this big blue eyes. Both him at the son of the almighty eye. I just want me fear and no other guy. Selassie I ever live it and already Richie, the reality that. Saying some man fi understand himself for 16 years me do this for. And if a man don't know, hear me now. At least unlimited music DJ Pan. Saying them believe on DJ Pan King Jam is one of the wickedest son in the world. Saying and them believe on DJ Pan Harrows. That's about long time days. A ranking Joe and Brigadier Jerry and them man they bring me night. So I'm not to make nice.
Are your life story that's in a reality. Before you see God, you see the devil. That's why your life so miserable. Hold on, let me kill the boy, man. Hold on. Me hold on, man. Watch out, hold on, move around the sound. Make me take over this thing. Jesus, hold on. My people. Shh. What? Just at a run? I like that. What a lavish. I just gotta say, I get a birthday gift. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Before you see God, you see the devil. That's why your life so miserable. But the killer says God, go with the devil, and then the world will live comfortable. No for preach Satan 24/7. It's like them forgot master God in a heaven. I got to make the sunshine 7 to 7. I see earthquake and storm where you're dangerous something. Lightning and thunder we clap make we frighten. Volcano and lava on your out to know. Hold on, my people. May I teach some little kaba DJ. We jump up on the killer, see you all and them hear all, and I go on like them a hot girl. Listen, make me kill them decently and intelligently. Me not have to say people dead for kill them. Because all of them have said the same thing. Listen. The lyrics not reach nowhere yet. You see for that? Next verse. With God in your heart, what a riches you have crossed the steepest mountain the killer will trod. Some possess vanity and come a brag boys only. Your soul you can take pay God. No make sense you come as some a go so bad. Hey them good all find you in a body bag. Pon the killer ear all you want climb like a crab. And just because you try past that. Hold on. Me and some boy talk about reality. What is reality? Reality is something that real, something that happened. Some guy know what is reality. Someone attack for reality. Go learn you.
Consult a dictionary, bounty killer. Consult a dictionary. Where you go? You gone? You gone? Hear me now. Bounty, you draw the wrong lyrics. But me see, before me see God, me see the devil. Every day me look by you and say,
your tongue tired.
Lavish, ya lavish. Wanna listen me now, wanna listen, hey, let me tell you something, you know, people. Me not chat illiterate, you know. As me while I mic, the first thing me say is, oh God. Remember, while I man. Then know me symbol, that's what the world know. The world don't know that. Stop chat, bounty killer, man. Stop chat, but you see it, I want
take your leg big. I done the career right here. Well, I'm not ready. Well, I'm not. You see when I'm not ready to learn. Me don't even want to make no nice. Hear me, no, man. No, man. Killer world of claims, you know. A epic killer sign with enough boy now getting no deal. Enough boy now getting no deal and now collect no royalty. That's why them now have no reality. Listen. Well on, Docasaurus. Hold on, man. Duck, man. Listen, man. A killer. Hold on, people. Shh. Listen. If you don't want to talk, you just tell me put on this sound to talk. If you don't want me and this, you talk on the talk. Listen, no, man. Hear me now. Don't guy come tell big killer and attack and a killer make the money and bread. But no disrespect, a guy disrespect in all aspects. You can't tell me no talk and me make an yam. Or the blood clot do a boy. And my style and me bust that I make the whole of them eat food. I'm in a fight. None. A guy run up on stage try for this. A boy bright and feisty and out of order. Jump up on stage and disrespect the killer. You out of your mind, you walk out, you don't war. Guy thinking bad, try to. Me not come for talk them there. But just a reminder, you know. You see, as far as me, I see the wall on the block. And South Africa free, that's the mother's land. And me I go see who cherish the mother's land. The whole on the son of Jamaican, no, it's African. Listen. Hold on, may I beg on 2 minutes worth of silence for this lyrics. This is to celebrate the first black president of South Africa, which is Nelson Mandela. And I need an applause for that. And me I go applause it myself. Hold on. I somehow we're glad to see Mandela win. I don't know where I stand. Listen. As far as my eyes can see, this is the fulfillment of prophecy. Mandela win the Africans them free, like a bird in the tree, and so let it be. Well, as far as my eyes can see, this is the fulfillment of prophecy. Mandela win the Africans them free, and all oppressors them got to pay them fee. Although Martin Luther no they have to say, Malcolm X or Marcus Garvey, the man Paul Buckler, the lady Nanny, if a Peter touch or a Bob. Well on my people, me even want to make no nice to this, cause some boy and nice them attack final. Bounty Killer done get the world acclaim. 3 wickedest thing in the world, Shabba Ranks, Butcher Banton and Bounty Killer. Listen, and nothing else, them don't rise yet. Them don't reach the standard. And I mean so. Me not see them a collect no award. Anything no collect no award, no reach their claim it. A 6 award the killer gone. I'm moving to platinum and gold. I'm not boasting on my people. I'm not boasting, I'm not brag. If you know someone here, I'm just cool. But I'm just making you know what's going on. Correct the world. Listen, keep your hands at your side. It goes like this. So many years in a prison without a reason. Tell Lion then them charge him for treason. Capture Will and them know how we live evil. Make we celebrate because of black people season. Now them got the blade, Mandela got the uncle. No more chains and no more shackle. Up off a wrist and a tear off the ankle. Who arrange apartheid shall get this mantle sing. As far as me eyes can see, this is the fulfillment of prophecy. Mandela win the Africans them free like a bird in a tree, and so let it be. Well, from a prisoner to a president, see the Mandela in a parliament. This is the settlement of all argument. Come make you celebrate what a excitement. You know one harmony with enough enjoyment. From all over the world, the man get compliments. The man of faith and him have patience. In the Almighty God, them put him confidence. If them try stop them and them calling down judgment. Hey, as far as my eyes can see, this is the hear me now. This one don't require. When don't require teaching, call the killer.
Kilimanjaro, if a guy notices the name,
There are lots of sounds in life.